Operating without data is like driving blindfolded. Organizations today need to rely on data more than at any point in the past. This is because understanding the details of your business operations can mean the difference between success and failure. Our research shows that data-driven organizations achieve a competitive advantage, improve customer experiences, and respond faster to opportunities and threats in the market. You must be agile, responsive, and efficient, and it's no longer optional. Your organization's survival depends on it. One of the ways organizations have tried to achieve these goals is with cloud-based data warehouses. While these have helped, I believe much more is required. Here are my 5 key requirements for today's modern data warehouse. First, responsiveness. Responsiveness to customers, to prospects, to partners, to employees. In today's competitive environment, you need to be able to act on fresh data to respond in the business moment. Many other interactions and analyses won't involve humans. Nearly half of organizations report they need to process events in seconds or even sub-seconds. Your data infrastructure must support fast data collection, preparation, and sophisticated AI-based analyses in a common environment or you don't stand a chance. Second, agility. Your data platform needs to adapt to new requirements and enable you to deploy new solutions quickly. Requirements are constantly changing, sometimes dramatically, and these changes often include new data sources and even new types of data. If you can't adapt to the new requirements quickly, with native integration to a broad diversity of data sources, you'll be left in the dust by your competition. The more moving parts you have in your solution, the more challenging that becomes. Extending modern cloud-based relational data warehousing with transactional and real-time operational processing will support a wider variety of data sources and mixed workloads, and it will simplify the process of introducing new or enhanced solutions. This will make your organization more agile. Third, analyze data in place. Big data is now commonplace, and while it's often associated with customer-oriented data, we see organizations using big data in a variety of departments. Whether you call your storage a data warehouse, a data lake, a lake house, or something else, it likely contains hundreds of terabytes or petabytes of data. It's hard to move such large amounts of data quickly, and even if you do, managing multiple copies of data introduces a set of performance and governance challenges. However, this information is critical to many parts of your organization. Providing access to this valuable data via a data platform that supports data virtualization or federated queries makes this information available to support operations and analyses throughout the organization, without requiring moving or copying the data. Fourth, cost-effective scale. Now, scale has multiple dimensions. The volume of data being managed, the speed with which queries can be processed over large amounts of data, and the number of concurrent users that can interact with the data simultaneously. Initial attempts at modern data warehousing relied heavily on scaling out the number of instances of the server, often masking inefficiencies in the products. But as the data volumes or number of concurrent users grow, this approach can result in unexpectedly high costs and can also bog down as the management and coordination of instances creates additional overhead. Separating compute and storage allows each to scale independently and more cost-effectively. Fifth, flexible deployments across multiple public cloud providers, private cloud, on-premises, or a hybrid of cloud and on-premises. Modern data warehousing does not exist only in the cloud. Our research shows that about 2/3 of data processing still occurs on-premises, and more than 40% of organizations process data using a hybrid of cloud and on-premises solutions. Yes, the cloud helped drive modernization of data architectures, including containerization, but these same modernization trends are valuable to most organizations that do a significant amount of data processing on-premises. You need to go beyond cloud-only data warehousing to span these different types of deployments and easily migrate workloads and data between them. These are 5 requirements I suggest you consider in your modern data warehouse efforts. To win with data today, you need to be both pragmatic and innovative. And it can't just be a science experiment off in a corner of your organization. It needs to be core to your business, supporting your existing business processes and allowing you to embrace the continuous arrival of new opportunities. I'm Dave Menninger from Ventana Research. Thanks for listening.